Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Muhammad Parji Hidayat. I'm an editor in private television. Right now, I'm gonna telling you guys or telling everyone in this room something that really interesting, and I would like to tell you that is about why we need to support local product or local businesses. Why? Did you guys ever wonder why we need to support them? Alright, it is a hot topic, and maybe everyone in this room already noticed with that. First, I'm gonna tell you why we need to support local businesses, and the second, what is going on if we don't right now, if we don't use the local product. Okay, let's move to the next topic. First, I'm gonna tell you what is local businesses. Local business is a business that is carried out by an area with its own region, which can be services or goods or product. Why it is very important? Because local businesses can be increase the income of some area and also maintain the existence of some area. It so that is not become that product in some area can be extinct. Alright, now you know why local business is important. Next, I will tell you what the effect if we don't use local product. The effect if we don't use local product is that extinction will occur, or it's difficult to find original product from an area that we live for, because they are covered or cannot exist with the same foreign product. So the local product will be lose or will be not famous, lose of the famous with the foreign product. For example, I will tell you this: in the Dayak tribe of Central Kalimantan, it is starting to become rare to for the original handmade of woven slayer, the slayer, because there's a little interest from buyer, and there are little bit income for the craftsman or the craft or the craftsmaker. So this product has become rare and almost extinct. Now, if we don't using local product, our product will be extinct and will be rare if we find this in some market, because the craft that make this, it's not have income, because the people don't interesting anymore with the local product, because we the local product of our own is lose with the foreign product. Alright. Today I'm telling you about 2 points. First, why local product or local businesses is important. Remember, local business is important to keep extension of some area of our area. And the second, it's about what the effect if we don't use local product. Just remember, local product can be rare and extinct if we don't use local product. And I hope you will understand what I'm telling you guys, what I'm sharing to you guys. So I'm going to tell you one more time: please love the local product. And with that thing, we love local product, we can be make our area can be famous again. Alright, with me Kak Eja. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Be humble and stay proud.